Today I'm going to replace the vacuum hubs on a Suzuki Jimny. What happened was I started noticing a scraping, grinding noise when I was on a dirt road, and after going back on tarmac from a dirt road, the scraping, grinding noise would stay there and then just suddenly disappear for no reason. I also noticed that if I switched to four-wheel drive mode, the grinding noise would go away, and when I switched back to two-wheel drive mode, the grinding noise would return. Okay, to remove the hub is very easy. You don't even have to take the wheel off. You just undo these 6 nuts. They are removed with a E10 size E10 Torx nut. If you do this, I recommend getting it as a 3/8 inch drive, because I did use a 1/2 inch drive before, but it was a little bit too big, and that's why the hubs are scratched over here now. Okay, I've now removed the hub. I'm going to show you how it works inside. This is the axle comes in here, but the wheel can rotate independently of it. So in two-wheel drive mode, the sliding gear is in, and oopsie, it can turn around inside the hub on its own. Then in four-wheel drive mode, the gear is pushed in and engages with the outer gear, so that now the axle and the wheel all turn together. And when you switch back to two-wheel drive mode, the gear goes back in and it can again rotate freely inside. This is the what it looks like on the inside. The vacuum moves this hub up and down. Oh, it is out. When it is out, it is held in place by a spring. When it is in, it is held in place by a magnet. This is the broken hub. The sliding gear is attached to this contraption with a retaining pin, but in this case this thing is worn off completely and the gear doesn't stay inside anymore, compared to this one that doesn't come out. So when I was in two-wheel drive or in four-wheel drive mode, the piston pushed the sliding gear into the outer gear, which made it work correctly. But when in two-wheel drive mode, when it was out, it was just hanging around inside, which made it scrape against the outer gear, which caused the grinding noise. And the grinding noise stayed there until the gear was probably just knocked out of place, which caused it to stop. I'm now going to reassemble the old hub. So what I did before, when I opened it up to inspect it, was I removed this part from the hub and put the rest back to just stop the scraping sound. I'm just gonna grease it up real good now. Okay, I don't know if this is strictly necessary, but I'm going to do it anyway. I'm going to put some sealant around this to keep moisture out. So that's it. This was fairly easy. Removing the knobs, inspecting them, cleaning them, greasing them, and putting them back won't take you more than an hour, hour and a half. Thanks for watching.